Hello, welcome to Term 4 in our CTC101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, and I will be your instructor over the next 8 weeks for this class. As a quick reminder, the first official day of class is Monday, January 10th, and the first unit or the first week will end on Sunday, January 16th. Please keep those dates in mind. In efforts to get ready for the term and to be as best prepared as you can, I highly recommend doing a few things. First and foremost, I've sent each of you a welcome email to your post and personal email addresses. Please review that information and let me know if you have any questions and/or concerns. Next, I recommend going to the Meet the Instructor tab and getting to know a little bit more about me. Also, my contact information is there as well. Once you do that, head on over to the Unit 1 discussion board post and share a little bit of information about yourself. I highly recommend interacting with your classmates as well in this Unit 1 discussion board post so you can get to know each other a little better. Next, I recommend going to the Course Information tab and either printing out the course syllabus or saving it to your device and referencing it whenever you need to. As a quick reminder, I will also be posting weekly announcements, so please make sure that you're checking the announcements portion of the Blackboard tab, as well as checking your post email address. I'm looking forward to a great 8 weeks, and just know that we're on this journey together. Take care.